World Cup soccer will finally be a reality here in North Texas.
And this morning, we're getting our first look at the brand new stadium that one of those lucky teams will get to call home while they're here.
Joining us now is the general manager of the Texas Health Mansfield Stadium, Scott Norton. Scott, how excited are you about the announcement earlier this week that Mansfield Stadium was going to be base camp for one of those teams?
Yeah, super excited that we're going to have an international team here and looking forward to hosting them at our brand new venue here in Mansfield.
Now, Scott, we know Mansfield Stadium isn't ready just yet, but when will it be completed?
We're looking at a mid-May completion or substantial completion date in time for a team to get here in early June.
And Scott, what's your favorite feature about the stadium? General manager of Texas Mansfield Stadium here talking to us about the construction and everything that's going on. What's the best part of this that fans will enjoy?
Really just the intimacy, how close fans are going to be to the pitch. Natural grass field, so obviously that's what soccer teams look for. Amazing staff, great location. About 7,000 seats, but I think the experience is going to be phenomenal when fans come in here for ticketed events.
Well, Scott Norton, we sure appreciate you joining us, general manager of the Texas Health Mansfield Stadium. Can't wait to welcome these teams to come out to North Texas for FIFA.
Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.